What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here today, and we have a Dodge Ram 1500 with us. Now, the customer has done a couple things, but we need to add a couple more to it. So what we're gonna be doing is a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit with new wheels and tires. Man, I'm telling you, this Ram is going to be completely different, and I can't wait to get the customer's reaction and see it when he realizes his Ram has become an absolute beast at this point. All right, guys, we've been talking a little bit too much about this. Let's hop in the truck, get it on over in the bay, and get started working. Here we are, guys. The 2025 Ram Rebel 1500 looks absolutely killer with this 6-inch BDS Lift Kit. Not only that, we put on some fuel wheels, wrapped in some Toyo tires, Open Country to be exact. And as far as I'm aware, guys, we are one of the first people to put on a BDS 6-inch lift kit on a 2025 Ram. Now the customer is back on the way to the shop now to pick up the truck. So we got to get this thing back over there. But as always, guys, if you don't mind leaving a like, comment down on what you think about the transformation from factory to absolute beast of a Ram. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. And there is about 98% of you guys that actually aren't subscribed that watch the videos. So why don't you guys hit the subscribe button, join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.